what I'm doing at the moment with my friend Tommy is we are unloading my new 1997 CBR900RR-V from the back of his van. Now, I bought this bike for the tidy little sum of £400. It's non-running, it hasn't started in over 3 years and hasn't really been on the road or MOT'd since 2016. I have no experience in restoration or restoring a bike back to roadworthy condition, but me and my friend Pete together are going to give it a go. So stick around and let's see if we can get it on the road. There's no way of lifting it higher. Here we go, my first time ever on BumbleBlade. I'm hoping that we do okay. Right, check the mirrors. So it's booked in for its MOT, it's insured, and here we go. Brakes working. And this is today is literally just a little ride around the block to see if there's anything drastic that will stop me going to get that MOT. That's the first time I've ever been in second gear. Speedo works. Oh yeah. Third gear, nice. And the indicators are not working, so that's something to look at. They were working the other day. Oh, now they started working. Okay, let's try that indicator right one. Yeah, there's that delay's come back. Interesting. However, what a glorious moment, for I am actually riding BumbleBlade for the first time ever. Now obviously I've got new tyres, so I've got to take it easy. Oh god, it feels so good. And it's quick. Oh wow, nice. Certainly hasn't got the brakes on my speed triple. Okay, around the block we go. Feels smooth, feels good. Doesn't feel twitchy. Gear changes feel smooth. Clutch needs adjusting. Bring it in a little bit. Let's get down a little bit further. Not going to go too far in case I have to push it back. Now the other day I did solve that problem with the delay on the indicators by giving it a good clean, and it was okay. It seems to have come back. It does have a new relay, although albeit an aftermarket one. Do I go for an original? But I'm not sure if it would even be that. It's certainly quite wristy. Old school, right lent forward. This has been months in the waiting. Still bits to do on phase 2, which will be really fix up any broken panel fixings or anything. Oh, brilliant. I'm so... Oh man, I'm so happy. Oh, my neutral light's staying on again. That stopped earlier. So there's still some electrical bugs to sort out. Let's work. Rear indicator works. Okay, if I call you because I've broken down halfway. Alright, so off to the MOT centre, and no idea. Well, the way I'm seeing it is, if it fails, bearing in mind it had a lot of advisories, including walk discs, play in the rear shock bearing, and other stuff. The way I'm trying to see it is, if it fails, it's still a step closer, because I'm going to be getting a list of the things needed to be done to get it to that final destination of on the road legally. So, see how it goes. It might just mean there's a few more episodes on Diaries of a Blade, or not. We'll see. Okay. And of course we got drops of rain on my visor already. Keeping on that temperature, seems all good. Alright. 70 miles an hour. I don't think I'm going to push it more than that first time out. Am I in top gear yet? Certainly smooth. It was lovely. Oh, lovely acceleration. I'm super early. I always am for everything. So, it failed the MOT for 3 things. This headlight main beam switch was sticking on, an exhaust bracket had snapped, and I think that I did that when I took the exhaust off, and headlights weren't adjusted correctly. So, then and there, I fixed the switch and opened it up, WD-40, that fixed that pretty damn quick. Adjusted the headlights, and I asked them if they could have got spot weld, and they spot welded it together, ran it through an MOT, and it passed. So, BumbleBlade now has an MOT, which is absolutely fantastic. Now I'm going to go for a little ride and just, take it easy, but try it out. I'm going to have to sort something out. This is out down here, so serious clutch issues at the moment. I'm going to go up to a petrol garage up here. I need it anyway, fuel, see if I can sort that. Otherwise I think it's a case of taking it back to Blade Central. So let's see if I can do anything on the road. Otherwise, as I said, I'll take it back. Okay, so I have a whole new piece here, so I have a feeling this is threaded.
don't think there's going to be much I can do on the road like this at the moment. It's not threading in, and it's literally biting there, so it's very not brilliant to ride. Okay, I take it back. Remember this tank is 23 quid, and it wasn't even empty. Here's a big old tank though, look at it. Blimey, it must have been really empty. Well, as I head back to Blade Central, I have to get this off my chest, but my God, the feeling of disappointment when he said, it's failed. Oh no, he actually said to me, well, you got a bit of tinkering to do still. I was like, okay. Failed? Yeah, on a few things. I was like, no. Which I fixed then and there. Well, the Spot World, I asked them, okay, to do it for me, which they very kindly did then and there. Charged me for it, of course. So but it got through.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of joy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?